pedal out.
All the way in low.
Yeah, let it roll. Oh, before you dig a hole, back up. Play all the way back. And look, literally just as fast as you can go, punch it from that point. Lay it on the ground. Do that again, but put it in drive. If you're in low. Put 4 low and then drive.
Yeah, gotcha.
Keep going. Back up a little bit more. A little bit more. All right. Now go. All right, you let off when you needed to keep going.
Oh, it shipped?
I know. Let it ship. All right, nail it. Do that again, just like that. Hook. Right there. Right, yeah.